trying to steal anything. I was just trying to get my money.
Where'd she go, man? She just dipped. Come over here. Hey, she's on the south side of the canal. South side of the canal. You saw her?
Yeah, just here. They're just in the water.
June 23, 2025 in Cape Coral, Florida. Officers investigating a string of retail thefts make contact with a woman, and within minutes the stop becomes something far more serious. She is detained, then runs on foot, then into a canal, before officers pull her out and arrest her. The story worth telling here is legal, not the chase.
How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
All right, what's up?
Yeah, you tell us.
Hey?
Yeah, come over here. Can you go talk to this officer? I'll tell you what it's about in a minute.
Talk to me. Okay. Can I stand up?
Hey, where you guys coming from?
I'm just giving her a ride.
Oh, okay. What's your name, sir? Alright, I think she has something pending going on, so... This is her bag. Put it over here so it doesn't get wet. 24, can you show me all of them?
Alright, so I'm going to read you something and we're going to talk.
I already talked to them. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I was just trying to grab my card.
I'm going to read you something, and if you want to talk to me to explain your side of things, I'll be.
But I'm under arrest now?
No.
You're detained right now.
You're detained.
You're not free to leave.
But I already talked to the girl. Like I wasn't stealing anything.
Okay. So I'm going to read it to you. If you want to tell me your side of the story, I would be glad to hear it. So just give me a second.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before he asks you any questions and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you for any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you? Yes? Okay. With these rights in mind, do you want to tell me your side of the story and answer some questions or what?
Why do you have my ex's ID?
You tell me.
My wallet was in the bag with my rabbit food.
Okay.
Yeah, but why do you have my ex's ID?
So tell me what's going on.
Nothing.
Your side of the story.
I got a cart full of stuff, and
okay.
I sat at the service desk for a minute, and nobody was there. Okay. So I was texting my friend, and I went out to go get my card and my money, and I went out. They stopped me at the door, thinking I was like stealing. I told them I just had to go right here to get my card, and we were parked right there. I have my card, I have my money on me and everything. Like I just had to grab my money real quick. That's it.
You just said you had your card and your money on you.
But I had to grab it from the car. I went to go grab it, and she was like freaking out. I was like, I was trying to steal something. I wasn't trying to steal anything.
Usually, when someone goes shopping, they bring your money with them.
I know. I left it in the car.
Okay.
I didn't mean to leave it in the car.
What? You left your wallet in the car?
Yes. No, it wasn't my wallet in the car. No, I left my money, my cards, my debit cards and everything in the car. I left my wallet in the Walmart bag that had my rabbit food in it. But I left my actual money in the car. And I just had to grab it from my friend. He was right there. Well, my boyfriend kind of, I don't know. But he was right there. I have my money on me right now and everything. Like I had the money to pay for all this stuff. Like I was only pushing the cart because I had my backpack and shit in there. I didn't want to just leave it like that. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I told the girl that. So I sat at the service desk for a minute.
That's you, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So.
But I wasn't trying to steal anything. I told her that.
Alright, that's fine.
What does your wallet look like?
What do you mean?
What does your wallet that you carry on the daily look like?
I have a few different wallets.
Okay.
What do you mean? Why is he asking me what? I don't even know which one I had at the time. Why is he asking me?
That's yours? Look.
Yes, that's one of my wallets.
Okay, that's yours. All right.
So you couldn't pay with the money that's inside?
Money, debit cards, all that.
No, because that's not enough money to pay for it. And the other money is some funny. It's some that I got from one of my son's friends. I had to. That one's a long story, but that's not. It wasn't that funny. I had my I told her I had to get my money out of the car. Like, she was just freaking out on me. I wasn't trying to steal anything.
Okay, so I'm gonna be real with you, right? When you go into a store and you forget that you gotta get your car, you don't just go walk out with all the merchandise to go get it.
Well, no, that's why I said it. The guest services for a minute, but there was nobody there. Honestly, I was just pushing the cart. I was just gonna push the cart right to the door so I could call out. Let me get my money. He was parked right there. Like, he would have heard me. I didn't even get all the way out the door. I didn't even push anything out the door. He would have heard me from right at that point and calling out to him. Like, I wasn't trying to steal anything. It's not what I'm trying to do.
Give us a minute.
I swear to God.
Just hang out right there. Hang out right there.
I don't know the specific date.
Can I incur my phone?
No, not right.
No, you can't.
You guys are going to take me to jail, though, right?
Why do you say that?
Because if you just stopped me, then you think that I was trying to steal it, too. Like, that's how it goes, right? Even though I told her I wasn't, and I stopped right there, I didn't take anything out the door. I was just trying to call for money. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I was just trying to get my money.
Well, we're just trying to make sure this isn't a big misunderstanding. So.
This is a big misunderstanding. Like, I'm not trying to piss off.
Well, the way it looks, right, is that you selected a whole bunch of stuff, came in, you walked past all points of sale.
No, I sat at the guest services for a minute. There was nobody there, so then I was going to go grab my money. I was going to pay for it all at guest services because I had...
Why?
Oh, my God.
Why were you going to pay for it at guest services?
Because I have some Target credit thing. I always go to guest services. Always. I always pay for my stuff at guest services.
What happened on that day?
What?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't even
That's
know
you,
what.
correct?
I mean, yeah, it looks like it, but I don't know what happened on that day.
That's you.
So we're not.
What
we're not
store
here.
was that in?
We're not
It doesn't
here.
matter what store that was in. That's you.
So,
I mean, it's on video. Like I said, we're here for a reason. You admitted that you were just at Target. This is you in another store.
I don't know. I don't know what the hell that was. I don't have.
This is at
I don't even
Walmart.
have that shirt.
You shop at Walmart?
Yeah, I shop at Walmart,
Okay,
but
so
I don't
this
even
is
have that shirt. I don't have that shirt. I don't wear True Religion.
you might not have it anymore, but
How do you know what that is from?
Because you can see the
Look,
symbols on
look.
it.
we've had previous interactions with you. We know you personally. We knew that was you from before. It's no coincidence. We just saw you on a bike and we're like, oh, there she goes. So that's why we're here. We're just we're just trying to see. So obviously you have a reason for or an explanation for what happened today. We're asking you what happened that day because you're on video passing on points of sale.
Passing all points of sale. I don't even know what that
Okay,
is.
here's the thing, right? I'm a very level-headed person. When you start lying to me, I get a little upset. So listen to me very carefully. I showed you the picture. You said, yes, that's me. It looks like me. Then you just,
But I don't
10
have that
seconds,
shirt.
10 seconds later, you just said, no, I don't have that shirt.
But I don't have that shirt. But it does look like me because of my shorts and everything. I always wear those cut-off shorts. But I don't go past points of. I don't make it a habit to go past points of sale. I don't make it a habit to just be stealing food and stuff at Target. Like I don't want to get in trouble. Like I don't like getting in trouble. I don't like that. I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my kids.
Do you remember that day specifically? Do you remember, did you leave your wallet that day too, or what?
There was a big incident where you had self-checkout with a whole cart of food, and people say you tried to do the self-checkout over the app, and it just wasn't working for some reason, and employees were helping you, trying to get you some help.
Was it over here on Pine Island Road?
Yes.
That went through. If I could get my phone, I'll show you the receipt to it.
Okay.
That went through, and it told me that it went through. It said you're all set, and it said that you went through. And that I don't know what
So
the hell
that
that
is
lady. If that's the same incident that happened at Walmart on Pine Island Road, then that's what happened on Pine Island Road. Because you're saying it's a big incident with self-checkout. I did have a big incident with self-checkout, but it went through. It paid, and they were telling me that it didn't, and I'm saying, yes, it did. And I showed them my phone and everything. And that's when I just got pissed off, and I just said, whatever, I don't have time for this. I needed to go feed my kids, or I needed to go home for something. I don't really remember too much of it, because I don't really remember. But I don't make it a point, like, I'm not...
So that day you were at Walmart, and then what happened? You went through the self-checkout?
I don't know if it was that day. I had one incident at Walmart. I don't know. I don't even...
We don't have many incidents like that. You're just telling me it's a big coincidence that a girl that looks just like you, just in a different shirt, had the same exact incident of a self-checkout where you tried to pay on the app, and it's just all a big coincidence.
What do you mean? It's a big coincidence.
Yeah, someone who looks just like you had the exact same incident at Walmart that you shop at about self-checkout on an app.
On that day, let me see the photo again.
You guys are gonna take me to jail.
Yeah, just listen.
I mean, you're not cooperating.
Yes, I am cooperating. I don't want to go to jail. I'm not trying to get in trouble.
Alright, look.
Please, I don't want to go to jail.
I think you're literally wearing the same shorts.
No, I just got these shorts actually today.
Alright, so this is clearly you. On this day, what happened? Was it that you didn't pay, or you had an issue at the self-checkout?
I don't know if it's that day or if I don't even know. You're saying that it's me, but I don't even know if that is
clearly you.
I mean, it kind of looks like a gorilla. I mean, it's kind of.
You might have had a rough day, but it's you.
It's kind of blurry.
Okay.
But I did have one incident at Walmart where they were trying to help me check out, but my phone said that I paid. My ex let me use his card on the Walmart app, and that's why I was using the Walmart app, because I didn't have his card. He sent it to me in a text. I put it on the Walmart app, and I paid, and it said it went through. And they were yelling at me that it didn't, or some bullshit. I don't know, but I didn't have time to sit around there and just bullshit with them. I had to go. But it went through.
Okay.
Oh my God, I don't make it a point to just be stupid.
What's a good address for you?
Northport.
Okay, what is it? So you're saying if I let you get your phone, is it here?
Yes, it's in his bag.
Okay, that you're going to be able to show me that you paid for that day that you're referring to?
Yeah, if you can tell me a date. It might take me a minute. I might have to try to get into the Walmart app because I have a whole different phone. I got factory reset. But yeah, when I had an incident at Walmart, it went through. It told me it was all set. We were all set. I even screenshotted it and showed it to the lady. And we were standing right there arguing about it the whole time. I mean, you guys must have watched all that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you saw that I was paying for it.
No, that's not that.
You saw that I showed her the screenshot. I showed her where it said all set. You can zoom in, you can see where it said all set. You're all set. You're all set. That means you can go. You're paid for it, right?
Nope. They can't verify that you paid for any of that stuff in the card. Did they?
You can zoom in on the photos and you can
Regardless
see
of
where I showed her
what it said.
What my phone said.
In their system, there was no amount paid for that transaction.
You guys are gonna take me to jail. Wait, I can't go to jail.
Give us a second.
Can you just lean up against the car?
You know, if I say these people, do you know them or not? All right. What?
Could you show me a picture? Oh. Yeah. She was one of my brother's ex-girlfriends.
His brother's ex-girlfriend?
Yes. Yes, we just moved out of we got evicted from the place, and we were cleaning out all the drawers and shit. I have her ID.
Okay.
And
Does she know you have her ID?
She knows that she left it at her house.
Does she know you have it?
Probably. I would assume so. Either me or yeah. I mean, I don't use it for anything. I just was cleaning out the house. We got evicted. I don't have no reason to use her ID. She just looks like me.
Okay. And what about...
Yes.
What's that?
Same.
Same what?
My brother, he likes prostitutes, and whenever they don't have whatever it is that they need to perform their job or whatever it is, they usually give him something to hold on to, jewelry or their IDs usually is what it is, because everybody needs their ID back, you know. So that's what they used to do at the house, and my brother would always bring them over these girls, and it's kind of...
And what, they would leave their ID?
Yeah, if they didn't have enough money to get what they needed, or if they couldn't get right, or... Because everybody's going to come back for their ID, you know what I mean? Usually
Not an ex-girlfriend.
my brother's ex-girlfriend, yeah. Just one of my friends. She's also a trick, though, but they're both tricks.
So they just happen to leave their IDs at his house.
Because they never wanted to come back to pay him what they owed him, so they left their IDs there. So when we're all getting evicted...
Do they know that you have them?
I don't know if they know that I have them, but they know that I lived in that house, and they know that they left their IDs there. I haven't been able to reach out to either one of them and let them know, because I believe I haven't been evicted for very long.
And what about...
That's my daughter's father. It's my daughter's father. Yes, it's my daughter's father. We have the same address on both of our IDs.
Okay, but what does that have to do with why would you have his ID?
It's an old ID.
Okay, does he know you have it?
Yes, he does.
I don't know. Based on our last
No,
interaction.
he knows that I have it. It's an old ID.
Oh, let me move my patrol car real quick.
Damn, his ID. So he just gave me his old ID so I can shop at Macy's.
Are you still an authorized user?
Yes, I am. I can get into the Macy's account and show you and everything. But
Do you have a
anytime I
phone
ever
number
shop,
for him since you talked to him?
yes.
What is it?
Are you pregnant right now?
5?
Yes.
It's just they said I'm on the phone call.
Are you having a child with your ex or different?
No, it's different. The girl didn't say I was in any kind of trouble because I told her I wasn't trying to steal anything. And she said that I was trespassed.
Yo, so you know your cars, like people just move like they're caught in a car.
Can I get my phone so I can show you guys the...
This is his investigation, so I'll let him figure out what
I don't want to go any kind of trouble. So you guys stopped me because I got trespassed from Target earlier?
investigating theft. 2 thefts.
What thefts?
Target and Walmart.
I didn't steal anything though. So they're not thefts. They're not thefts, I didn't steal anything. They're taken.
Yeah.
There's nothing that I can say that's gonna make let you guys just let me go, huh?
Like I said, this is his investigation, so.
Can I go talk to him?
I mean, like, look, the fact that some shit happened at Walmart, and then we get called to Target, same person, and like when it happened at Walmart, I looked at the video and I was like, yeah, I remember her. We dealt with you at Liberty Tax when we had the issue with your baby dad. Yeah. Just hang out a little bit more over there so I can see you. But I would just, personally, I would just put that all in the same record that this was recovered and turned into body. But that it was turned into CCTV record. One, two reports for the same thing. Yo! Where'd she go, man? She just dipped. Come over here. Hey, she's on the south side of the canal. South side of the canal. 24-3K. We just had a white female fully on foot across the canal south of Northeast 6th Street. She's running southeast. Yeah, get in your car, get in your car. She's running south on the street that's to the east, south of this canal. We got 2 theft charges on her. You see her? You saw her?
Yeah, just here. They're just in the water. Yup.
Banging on my door. Female's back in the water. Get the f over here.
It was a mistake. Come out. Come out. You're gonna get eaten by gators. Hey. Yeah, you're about to get you. We're about to jump in.
The Marine units are going to grab their boat.
Alfonso, she's in the middle. She's in the middle. She's in the middle. Oh, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Hey, come on.
Oh, he didn't want to get there.
Yeah, he did.
I hope he didn't grab all this shit. What's wrong with her?
She went from her stop. She was stealing.
Bring her.
Are you going to the other side? I'm going to the other side.
Hey, bring her right here. Right here. It's shallow. Bring her here.
Hey, he's shallow over here. Bring her over here.
Bring her here.
I'm not. I'm right here.
Let's go. Come on,
I can't. My legs are jello.
Let's go. Get the f up. Let's go.
My legs are not working. I can't.
We'll have EMS check you out. Come on.
I literally can't move. You guys, you're gonna hurt me. Please.
Let's go. Get up.
I can't. You don't understand. I can't. My legs are like jello. I can't even feel them right now. And my stomach hurts.
All right, sit down right here. Come on. Let's go. Sit down right here.
I can crawl up. So let me have my arm back. Can I have my arm back?
No, let's go.
I can crawl up, please.
No, use your
No,
feet.
I can't feel my legs.
Use your feet.
I cannot. You don't understand. That's why I was swimming with just my arms. I can't feel my legs. Ow, my belly. Ow.
Sorry. We'll wait for more officers to get here.
Sorry, I can't move.
Getting out of this canal one way or
Yes,
another.
I want to get out of it. I'm scared of alligators.
Not
I
to say
can't
working on
move. I can't move. I'm sorry. I never wanted to run.
Are we
He
able
said
to
he
just
was
put her
gonna
on her
kill
back?
me.
Right here?
He said he was going to kill me.
Ooh.
He said kill me.
Listen, either you help us get out of the water, or we're going to force you out of the water.
Well, come over here where there's not rocks.
I wish I could.
Let's
I
go.
can't move.
You can move. You can move.
I can move
you
my
just,
upper
you
half.
just,
I can't
you just
move
ran
my-
from us.
That's-
You can move.
That's
Let's
why
go.
I probably can't move my
No,
legs.
you can move.
I kept telling you I can't. That's why I was swimming with just my arms.
Let's move.
Can
Either
you
we're gonna pull
please
you
tell him? Please tell him I was swimming with just my arms. I can't move my legs. I don't know why. They're like jello. I can't move them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ow. Oh my god. I'm gonna get my
Take a
belly.
step up.
My
Take a step
baby's
up.
like. My
1,
baby
2,
is
3. 1, 2, 3.
He said he was gonna kill me anyways. So f it.
side.
Get on your side.
Please. Ow. Can you pull the shorts out of my ass, please?
No.
Pretty please.
No.
Ow. Just pull them out of my ass. Please.
Don't fucking tense up.
Please. Ow. You're hurting me.
Give us your.
You're hurting me. I can't. You're hurting me. You're hurting. I can't move. You're hurting me. I don't know.
Give me
Why are you guys doing this to me right now? Why? I didn't do anything.
going on.
Just take my arms. I don't care. You don't have to push me in the dirt like this. You don't have to push me in the dirt like this. I didn't do
You
anything.
didn't have to fucking jump in a canal either, but you did.
No, I didn't want to. He said he was gonna me. No.
Let's just say 1 to 10.
Oh, hold on. Hold on. I can pick my foot up. Hold on. Hold on.
Come on.
Let's go.
I'm gonna release. Ow. 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 Hold on. Hold on. I can't. Hold on. My legs, I
We're
can't.
walking.
I can't really walk.
Too fucking bad.
Oh my god. Please. Ow, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. It's not me. I'm stuck. Ow. It's not me.
All right. 3.
Alright. I can't even pick my feet up enough to move.
Then why'd you run? That's why police are here.
Huh?
That's why police are here to help you out.
You need to help me. You're even listening to me. I don't video everything.
No.
Stop whining. Stop.
I'm not whining.
You've been whining the whole time. We're here because
I'm not whining the whole time. I'm
This kind of thing. Anything else on poker stickers?
no.
Search, yeah.
I don't have anything at all but a little bit of money probably, maybe, if it's still there. I don't know. Can I please sit down?
The other one.
I have to sit down.
Yeah, you're fine.
Is this going traffic stop?
so nothing on you that's gonna poke us, stick us.
No, I don't have anything, but maybe a little bit of money if it didn't fall out. Oh, old cigarette. It's lovely.
All that's in there is a cigarette.
Yeah. I don't have anything but some money in my bra. I don't have anything at all. Oh my god.
Nothing else in your bra?
No. What else would I have in my bra but money?
Oh, you'd be surprised. Things are gone.
No. Probably gonna just throw up.
If you're going to hide something, don't try to hide.
I'm not hiding anything.
Stand up.
I can't.
Where's the one in your bra? Because I need to grab it out.
In my right side. No, I can't. You don't understand. You're trying to stop me from moving. I'm involuntarily moving. My
Well,
legs
yeah,
are
you
getting
ran
out
from
on
us
me.
once. Why
I
would
didn't
we
run
let you move
from
again?
That's not what
People
happened.
don't just jump in the canal.
Because I'm trying not to get.
By who? Driver?
No, my ex.
Alright.
I'm gonna throw up. I can't smell the fumes from this car. We're gonna throw up.
It's only the fumes to the ground.
No, it's for this car.
Alright. Well,
You need a.
sit here in the car. Alright. Well, let's see you in the car. There's AC. Walk.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No, my legs are too low.
Well, if you move them, nobody.
I'm trying to move them.
Big blood flow.
I'm trying.
Alright, left foot.
I can't pick it up that high.
Pick it up.
Well,
I
you can
believe
pick it up or I'll pick it up. Alright, I'll pick it up. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Come on. 2 more inches, 2 more inches. Let's go. Come on.
I can't. My legs could
You're
give
almost
out.
there. You're almost there.
My legs could give out on me. I can't.
I gotcha. You ain't gonna fall.
Push. Thank you.
Alright, put this lid down.
Honestly, I can't.
You gotta sit normally.
I can't. Can you just push it? Just push it, please.
You want medical to come check your vitals?
Yes. Alright. Here's some water, please.
We don't carry water. We get water for ourselves these days. We're so busy. Let me see what medical just got.
Start with the seizure. An officer tells her plainly she is detained and not free to leave, and that single sentence does real legal work. A detention and an arrest sit on different footings. A detention needs only reasonable suspicion from Terry versus Ohio, while an arrest needs probable cause. Reasonable suspicion is not a hunch. It must be specific and articulable. The radio traffic naming her theft charges shows the officers could point to facts, and that record matters later. Notice where the suspicion came from. Neighbors filmed her and called it in, and the Fourth Amendment restrains government searches, not private citizens, so that video and those tips are fair game for police. Before any real questioning, an officer reads the full advisement from Miranda versus Arizona. The right to silence, the right to counsel, appointed counsel if she cannot afford one. She says she understands and chooses to talk. A waiver only counts when it is knowing and voluntary, and a clean, complete reading like this one is hard to attack in court. Now the charge that defines the case. Resisting an officer without violence. Florida Statute 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine. That statute hides a requirement people skip past. The officer must be in the lawful execution of a legal duty at the moment of resistance. If the detention was unlawful, the charge falls apart. Florida's Supreme Court hit this squarely in C.E.L. versus State. Running from a lawful order to stop can be obstruction, but only if the officer was justified in giving that order right then. Flight by itself is not a crime. Under California versus Hodari D., a person who runs is not even seized until officers reach him. Fleeing an already lawful stop turns running into a charge. Apply that here. She was detained on reasonable suspicion, told she was not free to leave, and ran anyway, so the lawful duty element is met, and a merely running defense goes nowhere. The water extraction raises force. The test from Graham versus Connor is objective reasonableness, judged from what a reasonable officer faced in the moment, not with hindsight from a calm desk. Picture what they faced. A subject refusing to leave the water, claiming she could not move her legs, and that she was pregnant, met with hands-on control, no strikes, no weapons, no taser. Graham weighs three things: the severity of the crime, any immediate threat, and whether the subject resisted or fled. A misdemeanor theft plus active flight answered with low-level control lands inside that framework. The pregnancy and the water complicate it. Force on a pregnant subject draws sharper scrutiny, and a canal endangers everyone, including the officer, so call it reasonable, but far from ideal. Florida keeps a narrow rule that you may resist an unlawful arrest without violence. It gives her nothing because the threshold question was, the detention lawful comes out in the state's favor. The theft counts live under Florida Statute 812.014. Merchandise valued between $100 and $750 is first-degree petit theft, and a prior theft conviction pushes the level higher. Watch the priors. 2 or more theft convictions can turn even a small petit theft into a third-degree felony in Florida, and a felony record reshapes the stakes far beyond a misdemeanor fine. Then there are the other people's identification cards. Florida's Identity Statute 817.568 can edge toward a felony once intent to use one fraudulently appears. So intent becomes the whole ballgame. Step back and one thread ties it all. Everything rides on whether that first detention was lawful, because if it falls, the flight charge and any evidence can be suppressed as fruit of an unlawful stop. The officers earn a B-. The legal work is clean, lawful detention, correct Miranda force at the low end, and what pulls them down is tactics, not law. They left a detained, frightened woman unhandcuffed and she bolted. An officer then went into a canal after her, risking himself, the subject, and an unborn child. The subject earns a D+. She never threw a punch and accepted medical help, which counts for something, but every other choice she made cut hard against her. She fled a lawful stop twice and jumped into a canal while saying she was pregnant. The smart play was silence a lawyer in a fight in court, not a sprint into the water. The department earns a B. Releasing the footage signals transparency, and the officer's grip on the basics points to solid training. The open question is whether any policy governs water pursuits. One lesson stands out for officers. A detention is not finished until the person is secured, so if you have grounds to hold someone, control them before the talking starts, not after they run. Water pursuits need a hard line. Containment. A Marine unit and a supervisor beat a foot chase into a canal nearly every time because the drowning risk outlasts any misdemeanor theft. The lesson for everyone else is older than any statute. You beat a bad stop in a courtroom not on foot, and running almost never ends a charge, it usually adds one. If there is an interaction or legal topic you want broken down, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and check out the channel for more police and courtroom analysis.